In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Google Calendar URL to Outlook. If you keep your schedule in Google Calendar but want to view it in Outlook, this method uses a calendar link so Outlook can subscribe to your events. It's simple, secure when handled carefully, and read-only, which means you'll see updates in Outlook, but you'll still make changes in Google Calendar. Start by opening Google Calendar and signing in. On the left, find the calendar you want to bring into Outlook. Hover over its name and click the three dots to open the options menu. From there, choose Settings and Sharing. This opens that calendar's settings page just for this one calendar. Scroll down until you see the section called Integrate Calendar. Here, Google shows different links for your calendar. Look for the private iCal link labeled as the secret address. This is the feed Outlook can subscribe to. Treat this link like a password. Don't share it publicly and only paste it where you trust it. Click to copy the secret address to your clipboard. If Google displays a warning prompt, confirm by clicking OK. Now switch over to Outlook on the web and open your Outlook calendar. Once you're in the calendar view, click Add Calendar. On the ad screen, choose Subscribe from Web. You'll see a field where you can paste the link, paste the secret iCal address you copied from Google, give the calendar a clear name so you can tell it apart from your other calendars at a glance. A descriptive name like Personal Google Calendar or Team Google Calendar works well. Next, choose a color. Picking a distinct color helps visually separate these events from your Outlook defaults. When everything looks good, click Import. Outlook will subscribe to your Google Calendar and begin pulling in events. The first sync may take a minute or two, and large calendars can take longer. If you don't see events right away, wait a moment and refresh the calendar view. After the initial import, Outlook will continue to update automatically. Keep in mind it's a read-only subscription, so add or edit events in Google Calendar if you need changes to flow through. That's it. You've copied your private iCal feed from Google Calendar, confirm the prompt, and subscribe to it in Outlook with a name and color that make it easy to recognize. Handle that secret address carefully, and you'll have a reliable way to view your Google events alongside your Outlook schedule without any extra maintenance.